Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Google One storage. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be in your phone, Windows desktop, or any device that has a browser. Alright, now once you're in here, just go ahead over to the URL box and type in one.google.com. Once done, just hit on enter and it will land you to the same exact page. Now once you're in here, just make sure to log in. If you're not logged in yet, go click on the profile icon right here at the top right, click on it and log in. All right, once done, as you can see here, there are a ton of items or options right here. You're going to want to scroll down until you see the plans section. Click on it. All right, and you will be landed to this same exact page. Now what we're going to do to buy a Google One storage is, first up, make up your mind if you need 2 terabytes, all right, or just 100 gigs. And as we all know, we already have 15 gigs of free storage for our Google account. And as you can see here, for about 30 cents US, you can get 100 gig basic, all right? Or for 2 terabyte premium, you're just gonna only pay $2, all right? This is such a deal right here. You can also get storage right here at the left pane. Just click on storage and get more storage. And as you can see, you will be still landed to this exact page. Now to get one, like for example here, I'm going to get this one right here, which is the basic. All right, and it will ask you if you want to pay annually or monthly. Just for this example, I'm going to use monthly and hit on continue. Go on terms of service. I'm going to hit on agree and it will load. Wait for it. And as you can see, the item that you want to buy will be listed right here, which is the Google One 100 gigs. And you will be paying using your Google Play account. All right. To use other payment method, just go ahead and click on this one right here. And as you can see, you can go ahead and add a card, add your PayPal, or other options that is available in your phone by clicking on this one right here. All right. Just for example, I'm going to go ahead and add PayPal. All right. Wait for it to load. Hit on continue. And the PayPal page will pop up. Just go ahead and log in right here. Once done, just continue with the payment and you're good to go. Once you've made the payment, go ahead and go back to your Google One account. All right. Right here, go to home and you will see that your storage right here will be upgraded. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.